The company claims 80% accuracy, I believe, in their marketing pieces, and I find that to be true on the stock side. But I do find on the commodity side, commodity stocks, gold and silver stocks in particular, that the accuracy is in excess of 80% for me, probably closer to 85%.
VantagePoint says a buy, then that gives me the confidence I need to pull the trigger, and that is invaluable, just being able to pull the trigger on these trades. So it's given me a lot of confidence, a lot of confirmation, and just since I've got VantagePoint, basically my trading has skyrocketed. Trade, you pay for the software, and then it's yours forever. So that was one thing that had me really excited about the software, was I just felt like I could go out there and nail a trade, and then it would be mine forever.
The last 3-4 months since I started trading Forex, I'm up over 50% on my money, and that is not an easy task to do. So I'm extremely grateful to Mr. Mendelson for having brought me into this, and I want to let everyone else know and share my enthusiasm.
Before VantagePoint, I probably lost around $25,000 in trading. Now, since I've been using VantagePoint, and especially the most recent version that just came out, I'm now up about $15,000, and I'm looking forward to making my money back on the prior trading courses and my losses in the next year. I'm consistently making money now, so now I'm actually starting to enjoy trading. Also, it took away the guesswork, because there's a lot of anxiety when you enter a trade, because you may think you may be wrong, you may be right, am I in the right direction, is the market going up or down, am I going to get stopped out? But now I know that when I enter the system, or when I enter my trade, there's a better than 50% chance that the trade's going to work out, and so I combine that with some money management things that I've been taught, and now I just watch my equity curve, grow, and that's an amazing feeling.
Support staff at VantagePoint really helped me a lot. They stayed with me until I figured out all the features and capabilities of the software and became profitable. The only regret that I have about it is that I didn't start it sooner.
And that's what really gave me the confidence to see that this program is as accurate as they say it is. And after 10 years, I've stuck with this program. Like any trader, we're always looking for that little advantage, that little edge, and I'm constantly looking at new things, but I've consistently stayed with VantagePoint. The accuracy, of course, the simplicity.
It really helps you narrow down and find that opportunity. You check the chart and you look for your entry, and the next day, I am not kidding you, 85 to 90% of these choices that I make are correct. They're trends, and they're selected high and low. It's correct. And so I started making money instead of losing it or breaking even.
Immediately after launch, I had more trades, winning trades in a row than I had in certainly the previous months, and that gave me a certain amount of satisfaction in the purchase as well as confidence in future trading activities.
I've been sitting since I joined VantagePoint last fall of 2009, at approximately 90% success rate. Yes, granted, you can't be 100% successful in forecasting what's going to happen in the marketplace. That would not be possible. By looking at that, 90% is pretty good.
Prior to that, I had used lagging indicators and really got a lot of mixed results. Not very favorable. I kind of found that using lagging indicators is like trading the past, and I'm sure we're all good at that. Well, by the middle of April, I had doubled my account, and more so. So I had recouped the cost and more of the software.